Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix Roblox error code 103. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Now our first step is to verify your account age. For that you need to enter into your Roblox as run as administrator mode. Yeah. Over there please enter into the more option and then settings and then account info. Here it shows your age. If in case you are under 18, yeah, it will not be enabled. Yeah, now we are enabled. The second step is to change privacy settings. For that you need to enter into the same Roblox and then settings, more settings. Over there you need to click privacy and content restriction, so make it the same settings on that. So the third step is to sign up and then sign in back. For that you need to enter into your Roblox and log out the Roblox and then log in again using your credentials like username and password. Or else you can do the quick sign in. So the fourth step is to restart Roblox. For that you need to enter into your task manager. Over the task manager please do untask the Roblox related applications. The fifth step is to disable VPN and proxy. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there network and internet, enter into the proxy and then setup. Please do disable the proxy if in case it's enabled. So and then save it. So the sixth step is to reinstall the Roblox. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there you need to enter into your apps and then install the apps and then you can uninstall it first, and then using your browser or the using your Microsoft Store you can reinstall it again. Sometimes the corrupted file may issue, so by doing this step it will be okay. So the seventh step is to reinstall your PC, sorry, restart your PC. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.